All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Dodge Durango. It is the GT model, all-wheel drive. The beautiful burgundy with the black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, navigation system, alloy wheels, fog lights, third row seating, super nice, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks fantabulous. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks very nice. Here's your front driver's rim. I don't see any curbing on that. The entire third, which is at 8/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread here is at 11/32. Nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. You guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. It does come with the 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your little touchscreen here. Got your Navi system. Boom. Got your radio. Pow. You got your heated seats, your heated steering wheel, your heat stuff. Got your AC controls right down below. You can see it's dual AC controls. All right. Got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Let's scroll around here. Boom, boom, boom. No issues. All right. And your mileage should be here somewhere. And there's your mileage of 13,993. See, no messages stored, so we're good. All right, guys. So it looks like with a little button here, automatically opens the back door. That's pretty freaking cool. All right. Got memory seats, I see. Nice. So of course, what your rear passenger seat looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have it armrest cup holders. Got your rear AC vents, and it's got rear heated seats. Very cool. All right, let's see how this moves. Boom, this is what your third row seats look like. No holes, no tears, no rips on either one of them. All right. Coming around, rear bumper looks good. You got your, this is what your rear trunk space looks like. Pretty nice, big and spacious. Seats do fold down. Check out pictures for more details. You got your little storage compartment here. How? Got a little button. Tell me you got a button. We got a button here that closes this bad boy up. Boom. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread is at 10/32. This door looks good. Here's your the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. And I know I showed you the third row, but just out of habit. There it is. All right. We do have rear AC vents and rear AC controls. Nice. Front door here looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. And tire thread for that is at 10/32. Lights are working. Fog lights are on. Things are beautiful, folks. Once again, this is a 2017 Dodge Durango GT model with 13,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.